Hi everybody, welcome to Washington Heights. This beautiful morning, I'll be showing you a very gorgeous and got renovated one-bedroom apartment in a pre-war building. Let's walk around. We are already inside, and if we turn to our right, we are going to find the kitchen. This kitchen is being renovated from top to the bottom. It got plenty of cabinet space, stainless steel, and a dishwasher. If we turn to our left, then we'll see one closet with shelves. And just right next to that, there is another closet that has also shelves, but the other half, it doesn't have shelves. I'll show you. You see? Now, we are going to take a look to the living area. Beautiful hardwood floors and plenty of light. Just right in front of us is the bathroom. A marble bath, also recently renovated. To our right, there is another closet. And if we turn to our left, we are going to find the bedroom that also gets plenty of light. This bedroom has its own closet inside. It is very similar to the one we saw at the entrance. Have shelves, have no shelves. This apartment is pretty close to the Columbia Medical Center and the New York Presbyterian Hospital. The A, C, and 1 trains are just a few minutes away. This is a pet-friendly building. If you have any questions about this place, please just let us know. We'll be very happy to assist you. My name is Adribel Ruiz, and thank you so much for taking some time and watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your day.